Lenovo Retail Package and Factory Sealed Item. Lenovo Part Number 4X20M26268. Genuine Lenovo 65w USB Type-C AC Adapter. P.N. equals 4 by 20 meters 26268. Includes the USA 110 volts 2-prong wall cord, power cord for the USA. This item is only used in select Lenovo notebooks and tablets that have a USB Type-C connection type. Lenovo model numbers are Suffix specific. The X1 Carbon 5th and 6th generations use this item, but all other X1 Carbon models do not use this item. The P51s uses this item, but the P50 and P51 does not use this item. Please be sure to check compatibility before ordering. Full compatibility is listed within the description for this item. Top reviews from the United States. Would be 5 stars with a little longer cord. What can I say? It works. I purchased a laptop for my daughter for school. She was forever forgetting to bring her power cord with her to school, leaving it at the house and running into battery issues shortly after lunch. I purchased a second power supply to stay at home, and now the original stays in her backpack for school. When she does work at home, she uses the second power supply that stays here at the house. No more forgotten power supply, and no more battery problems before the school day ends.